Should you try Upwork? Let's find out. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Sylvia and I do videos about succeeding as a freelancer using Upwork and social media. So if that's something you're into, don't forget to hit subscribe. You've seen the title. Today we're here to discuss whether or not you should try Upwork for yourself. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So first of all, I gotta start by saying that I think you should definitely try Upwork if you're looking to make some extra money in your spare time. Honestly, I think Upwork is just a great place to start because they kind of set the stage for you. Literally, all you need to do is follow their lead to set up an account, fill out your profile as best as you can, and then start applying for some jobs. They also give you a great level of security, so as long as you follow their rules and you keep everything inside the platform, you're guaranteed to be paid for your work. On the other hand, if you've been freelancing for a while and you're looking for a new source of leads, Upwork may also be a great fit for you. This is because clients on Upwork are already warm leads, meaning that they already know what they're looking for, and all you need to do is sell them on why you're the best one for the job. This is also great for beginners once again because you won't have to go out and cold pitch over email or DMs, which can honestly make it much harder to sell. Before we continue, let me know, where did you hear about Upwork the first time? For me, it was a good old Google search. Now that we've talked about some of the reasons why you should try Upwork, let me tell you about a couple of the reasons why you shouldn't. First off, I think you should definitely stay off of Upwork if you don't have the time to invest in it. Simply put, Upwork isn't an overnight success thing. You have to put in the time and effort to see results from it. You have to set up a good profile, send even better proposals, and that's just not done like that. There's just not the secret magic formula that you can just copy and paste everywhere and see success from it. I guess we all wish there was, but then again, clients are smart and they would see through that pretty quickly. So if you don't have the time, maybe just shelf this idea for later. I definitely don't think you should just give up on Upwork altogether, but maybe save it for a time where you have a little bit more to invest in it, basically. Another reason why you shouldn't try Upwork yet is because you just don't know what to offer. Honestly, I may be contradicting myself here because I personally had no clue when I started, but if I'm being honest, competition may have gotten just a little bit fiercer over the years. This doesn't mean that you shouldn't try it, so don't go out and throw that excuse around like I've heard it enough. It just means that you should definitely do your homework first. Really sit down and decide, okay, this is what I'm going to offer, this is who I'm going to offer it to, and just go from there. Now, if you're like, oh, but Sylvia, I have no idea what to offer, I may be able to help. I'm currently preparing to launch something that will help you both define your offer and land more clients using Upwork. So if that's something that intrigues you, I'll leave the link to join the waitlist down below. If you join, there's no commitment necessary and you get my 5-step Upwork checklist for success for free, so it's a win-win situation. And if you'd like to learn more right now, I have plenty of videos about Upwork on my channel, and I recommend you watch this one next. I'll see you there.